Hello Leo, Sun, Moon Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot at kung bago kayo rito, welcome din po kayo. Please subscribe, like, share my videos, and leave me a comment kung nakaresonate po kayo. Thank you. Tignan natin kung anong mga messages para kay Leo. First message po ninyo, the star. Napakaganda nito. Leo, meron kayong mga wishes, no, that are coming to fruition. So, be on the lookout for that. At ito na yung time no, na ibibigay na sa iyo ng universe kung ano yung minimithi mo, something like that. And this is the time that you are going to be full of inspiration, of faith, and hope. You know, buhay na buhay yan sa puso mo. Kasi meron ka ritong pinanggalingang mahirap na sitwasyon. No? Not necessarily na recent yan na nangyari, na difficult situation na yan. It could be long time ago, the very difficult situation in your life, pero napagtagumpayan mo yon. You managed to come out, you managed to surpass whatever difficult situation that was. You know, matagal na to, pwedeng matagal ng panahon ito. Years, no? Maring years. And now, meron kayong bagong chapter sa buhay mo na magbubukas para sa'yo. The universe is going to lead you towards a new path in your life na kumbaga, ito yung parang premyo sa'yo ng universe for working so hard na mapagtagumpayan mo or masurpass mo kung ano man yung super difficult situation na nangyari sa buhay mo in the past. Ngayon, dito mo mararamdaman yung bagong buhay, dito mo mararamdaman yung saya, you will be contented, no, sa kung saan ka man dadalhin ng universe sa ngayon. Because you were, kumbaga, you were hopeful, 'di ba? You were very ang tawag dito, yung lagi ka lang naging positibo sa buhay, sa pag-iisip mo, yung ganon. Kaya, kumbaga bibigyan ka ngayon ng pagkakataon ng universe to live a new life, no? To live a new life wherein magiging maganda, masaya, kumbaga, no? At punong-puno ng inspirasyon ka sa mga susunod mong mga gagawin. Ayan, parang this is the time wherein siguro may mga miraculous moments and miraculous events na mangyayari, no, sa buhay mo. At kung ano man yan, how it's going to unfold, ikaw lang ang makakaalam yan, no? Pag dumating na. So, we have two of wands. Ayan. So, this is partnership. Pwedeng decision din. Meron din kayong decision making na kakaharapin sa ngayon. Pwedeng ganon. Maaring yung decision na yan could be related to partnership. No? Baka iniisip mo, iisipin mo, makikipag-partner ka ba dito? Makikipag-sosyo ka ba? Diba? Something like that. Or, makikipag-collaborate ka ba sa taong ito? Yung mga ganon siguro. Or pwede rin na travel, no? Kasi may travel energy din si Two of Wands. Pwedeng international travel ito. So, maaari na yung decision na to is also linked to that. Baka nag-iisip pa kayo kung saan kayo pupunta, anong lugar ang uunahin mo, or kung saan kang lugar pupunta, no? So, pwedeng may ganong ganap. We have Six of Swords. This is moving on energy. You know, this is moving on. You are ready to explore ngayon. New place, new situation sa buhay mo. Galing ka din dito sa sitwasyon na mahirap, no? And you are definitely moving on. Pwedeng related yan dito sa pinagdaanan mo dito. No? Siguro matagal kang panahon na na-stuck sa difficult situation na yon, sa unhealthy situation na yon. And now, you're going to decide na it's about time na for me to move on. It's about time na for me to live a happier life, a more peaceful life, yung ganon, no? So, yun, you're ready to explore new place. Pwedeng may travel din dito, Leo. Baka kayo ay pupunta sa ibang lugar, baka kayo ay magta-travel somewhere, maging ibang bayan, maging ibang bansa, no? Depende sa inyong sitwasyon. So, definitely may travel. It's a three of wands. This is also another travel energy. So, maari talaga na meron kayong pupuntahan, no? Pwedeng kayo ay mag-a-abroad, no? Ang napipick up ko dito, baka mag-a-abroad kayo. This is going to be pasyal. This is going to be an adventure para sa'yo. Or po pwedeng expansion. Ang iba sa inyo dito, baka kayo mag-expand ng inyong studies, ng inyong business, kung mayroong business, yung gano'n. So, whatever the case may be, kung ano man ang plano siguro ninyo sa ngayon, you are ready to implement, no? You are ready to implement now. Kung ano man yung mga pinangarap ninyong gawin, negosyo, pag-a-apply ng trabaho, or kung saan man kayo pupunta, whatever plan that you had, sa ngayon, i-implement nyo na yan. Gagawin nyo na yan. No? Handa na kayo para dyan. So, good luck. So, by the way, maraming salamat for subscribing to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe na po kayo. And doon sa mga hindi po nag-skip ng ads, maraming salamat for your time and support. Malaking bagay po yun sa akin. And kung gusto po ninyong mag-join sa membership, please click the join button sa baba ng video po. Thank you. So, nature signs. Sabi dito, be receptive to the subtle messages from nature as you go about your day. Okay? Nature talks to us continually. We need to only open our hearts and minds. Alright? So, maaari ng iba sa inyo, lagi kayong nag-outdoors, diba? Like, nag-spend time outdoors. So, gagamitin ng universe yung nature, elements, no? Para makapaghatid sa iyo ng mensahe, para makapaghatid sa iyo ng gabay. Kaya maging mapagmatsyag, maging observant, at maging aware kayo sa mga subtle messages, no, na ipapadala sa iyo ng universe through nature spirits, no? Hidden depths, something hidden is about to come to light, perhaps a secret or memory at the back of your mind. When we expose what's hidden, we can become free. Okay? Maaring meron sikreto dito na lalabas, no? Maaring ikaw mismo ang mag-share nito. This could be your secret, your own secret, or this could be about someone else's secret, at ikaw ang magda-divulge nito. No? Matagal mo na tong hawak na impormasyon. Regardless kung this is about whatever, no? Pero this is going to set you free. No? Magiging maluwag na ang inyong pakiramdam dito na mailalabas mo na to. Solitude. Think of being alone as meaning you're all one and in total harmony with everything. The greatest treasures are those that wait silently during your quiet times. Okay? So, you're being invited here to spend time by yourself, no? Outdoors, kung mayroon kayong access outdoors, and if you are safe, and as long as magiging maayos kayo outdoors, then spend time outdoors. At magandang mag-solitude dyan, no? Mag-walking meditation kayo, 'di ba? Or yun, just spend time by yourself. At magnilay-nilay at magmuni-muni kayo. That is going to help you a lot, no? Lalo-lalo na kung mayroon kayong mga pinagdadaan ng medyo mabigat, napakasarap na maupo lang sa grass, maupo lang beside the tree, 'di ba? Yung ganon. Kasi nakakagaan ng pakiramdam. Nakakatulong ng malaki, yung nature spirits. So, good luck sa'yo. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.